5 minus 7 gives us negative 2. And again, here we have 5 minus 7, which again gives us negative 2. And negative 2 times negative 2 is equal to 4. Because negative times negative is positive and 2 times 2 is 4. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, which I will write here. So according to the rule PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication or division, A and S stands for addition or subtraction. According to this rule, the first thing to solve is parentheses, right? So parentheses is priority number 1. And the second thing to solve is exponent. It is priority number 2. And the third thing to solve is multiplication or division. And finally, we have to solve addition or subtraction. So this is the right order to solve mathematical expression like this. Here is the thing. If we solve subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong, right? Multiplication has higher priority than subtraction or addition, right? So that is the way. And in our problem, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one subtraction again. So we have to solve the multiplication before everything else. So 7 times 5 gives us 35. And 5 minus 35 minus 7 is going to be the next equation. So 5 minus 35 gives us negative 30, and negative 30 minus 7 is equal to negative 37. So the final answer to this question is negative 37.